We're getting ready to do Brett's mini facelift, non-surgical, of course. We're gonna be using the PDO threads, and in the meantime, we're gonna be marking him up for Botox as well. The next thing that we are going to do is clean up the skin so we can get ready to inject the anesthetic for the threads. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna measure where the threads are gonna go in. We're gonna enter here, and then we're gonna put one thread from here to here, and another one from here to here. And that's just gonna help the nasolabial fold, which is this line here, to lift up. With time, in about 3 to 6 months, that line should be a lot smoother. So we're gonna start injecting anesthesia. Little pinch. The threads are gonna go inside and are going to help in the production of the collagen, and that way the lift is done. We're gonna go ahead and make a little incision. That's gonna be the incision side. That's it. So the next one now. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to push because of the skin. So now what we wanna do is massage it, because the threads have little teeth and they attach to the tissue. We're gonna massage, massage, massage so they can stay. The whole treatment lasts about 1.5 to 2 years. As you can see the results, you can see them instantly. And that's it. In 30 minutes, you have a non-surgical facelift at ageRejuvenation.